So hello guys, welcome back. Today I have got all these ingredients together. So first of all you require cheese. It could be a pizza cheese or any kind of cheese. So I have this vegetable. You could decide your vegetable toppings whatever you want. I have capsicum, tomatoes and onions, and plus some chilies as topping. So I have oregano. I don't have chili flakes. You can use any of the sauce. As of now I am using tomato ketchup and a bread. So I'm taking two breads, putting some salt. It's up to your choice if you want to put some salt or add some butter. Personally like to put salt, then crumble some cheese on it. Just show you what I have done. So basically I have put first the ketchup down, then I put in some cheese grated, and on the top all the chopped vegetables. Again on the top I'm going to cover it with some cheese. And then if you want to add something, oregano or something, it's up to you. In case I'm adding some oregano. So I'm done with all the stuffing. So it may not be the best. You can try your own. You can put a regular cheese also. That would be better. I have chosen the pizza cheese will just melt out. It will just top with all the things. What I've done is I've put some ghee, roasted a bit high. So you can use butter or ghee, up to you. So I'm going to cover this with a lid. Simmer this after. Just keep this covered. Just prepare 2 to 3 more extra. So this is ready. The cheese blends in this actually. See the cheese texture. You can top it up with the all your oreganos or chili flakes. It's up to you whatever you want. And just more instruction to keep it for 3 to 4 minutes until the bread gets properly done and the cheese gets melted.